What if I told you that there's a phone that can replace your camera for good? A phone that has a 180MP periscope lens, a 50MP main camera, and a 50MP selfie shooter. A phone that can capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition, with incredible zoom and detail. A phone that also has a massive 5600 mAh battery, a 6.8-inch OLED display, and the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's the Honor Magic 6 Pro, and it's here to blow your mind. Today, I'm going to give you my honest review of the Honor Magic 6 Pro and show you why it's one of the best phones of 2024 and help you decide whether if it's worth buying or not. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, the Tech Critic, for more awesome phone reviews. Now, let's begin. The Honor Magic 6 Pro has a stunning design that is sure to turn heads. It has a glass front and back, or a leather back if you prefer, and a metal frame. It comes in 5 colors: black, green, blue, purple, and white. It has a dual edge display that curves around the sides, and a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera. It also has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, and a fingerprint scanner under the display. The phone is quite large and heavy, weighing around 225 to 229 grams, depending on the back material. But it feels premium and solid in the hand, and the curves make it comfortable to hold. The display of the Honor Magic 6 Pro is one of its highlights. It has a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED screen, with a resolution of 1280 into 2800 pixels and a 19.5 to 9 aspect ratio. It has a refresh rate that ranges from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, depending on the content, and a touch sampling rate of 480 Hz. It also supports HDR10+ and has a peak brightness of 5000 nits. The display is gorgeous, with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. It also has great viewing angles and is very visible even in bright sunlight. The display is also very smooth and responsive, thanks to the adaptive refresh rate and the high touch sampling rate. It's a pleasure to watch videos, play games, and browse the web on this screen. The Honor Magic 6 Pro is a beast when it comes to performance. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is built on a 4nm process and has an octa-core CPU and an Adreno 750 GPU. It also has 12 or 16 GB of RAM and 256, 512, or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. There's no microSD card slot, but you probably won't need one with that much storage. The phone can handle any task you throw at it, whether it's multitasking, gaming, or editing. It scores very high on benchmarks and runs games at high settings with no lag or stutter. It also has a vapor chamber cooling system that keeps the phone from overheating, even under heavy load. The phone also has a dedicated power management chip, the E1, that optimizes the battery efficiency and performance. The phone runs on Android 14 with Honor's custom skin Magic OS 8.0 on top. The software is clean and smooth, with some useful features and customization options. It also has some AI features, such as Face Unlock, Smart Scene, and Voice Assistant. The software is also updated regularly, and Honor promises 3 years of major Android updates and 4 years of security patches for the phone. The battery life of the Honor Magic 6 Pro is another impressive feature. It has a huge 5600 mAh battery that can easily last for a day or more, even with heavy usage. It also supports fast charging, both wired and wireless. It can charge up to 80 watt with the included charger and up to 66 watt with a compatible wireless charger. It also supports reverse wireless charging at 5 watt and reverse wired charging at 10 watt. The phone can charge from 0 to 100% in about 40 minutes, with either wired or wireless charging, which is very fast and convenient. The camera of the Honor Magic 6 Pro is the main selling point of the phone. It has a triple camera setup on the back and a dual camera setup on the front. The main camera is a 50MP sensor with a variable aperture, laser autofocus, and optical image stabilization. It can take amazing photos and videos with great detail, dynamic range, and color accuracy. The second camera is a 180MP periscope telephoto lens with phase detection autofocus and optical image stabilization. It can provide 2.5x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. It can capture stunning zoom shots with incredible detail and clarity, even at long distances. The third camera is a 50MP ultra-wide lens with phase detection autofocus. It can take amazing wide-angle shots with minimal distortion and great detail and color accuracy. The front camera is a 50MP sensor with autofocus and a TOF 3D sensor. It can take great selfies with good detail and skin tones. It can also record 4K videos with gyro EIS. The front camera also enables face unlock and biometric authentication. The Honor Magic 6 Pro is a fantastic phone that has a lot to offer. It has a stunning design and build, a gorgeous display, a beastly performance, a long-lasting battery, a fast charging, and a phenomenal camera. It also has a good software and a decent audio quality. It's hard to find any major flaws with this phone, except maybe the lack of a headphone jack and the limited availability outside China. But if you can get your hands on this phone, you won't regret it. It's one of the best phones of 2024, and it's definitely worth buying. So, that's my review of the Honor Magic 6 Pro. What do you think of this phone? Do you like it, or do you think it's overhyped? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Tech Critic, for more latest phone release updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.